Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have some homemade mashed potatoes with some ham and asparagus, and I'm going to pray and get right into this plate. God is good, God is great, and we thank you for this food. By your hands I must be good. Give me, Lord, my daily bread. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. All right, I'm ready to eat. I accidentally burnt my hand when I reheated it up in the microwave and got dark on one side. And the way I made the asparagus is I boiled it a little bit first, just to, probably like 2-3 minutes at the most, and then I sauteed them and some onions and garlic or butter. Pretty tasty. It's really my first time making asparagus for real. I never used to eat it, but my mom was talking about we should start eating it, so we bought some and now we're eating it. And my son, he picked out the ham even though he didn't eat it. He loved to go shopping but don't want to eat the food. I'm one of those people who love to taste all my food together. Why I keep missing my mouth.
He want his sippy cup.
It's right there on the table.
What? You want the sippy cup? Is it this cup or sippy cup?
Go get it. It's right there. It's on the table.
Maybe a sippy cup, just bud. You gotta get something more in it though. It's getting a little low. Dookie butter. Oh, we just. Wow.
I accidentally overheated up my ham though in the microwave. That's why it's dark like that.
Wow. Like you almost fried that up.
Right.
Now you just sitting there doing what you do.
Begging. You better go on. No. You don't get none. It's not for you. This kind of food make you sick. Come on, ham.
Mama,
Here. I'm gonna get you some more juice.
you want some? Can we go again? Go again? Can you go again? Go again. Go again. Go again.
Hold on, Isaiah.
I'll try again, Moses.
All right, y'all. That was the last of that. Those 2 little pieces of ham was too hard for me to eat. Other than that, it was good. It was the bomb dot kizaham, okay. But yeah, thank you guys for coming to watch. And if you can like, comment, and subscribe, and also share and help push this video out there, I would greatly appreciate that. And yeah, until next time.